The AW Lake website features an all-in-one section for documents pertaining to our different products. To access these documents, begin by clicking on Downloads on the top of the homepage. Here you can filter through document types, including datasheets, application stories, manuals, certifications, technical documents, brochures, and catalogs, as well as related software. You can further filter down documents based on specific products or industries. There are two different ways to access documents. You can view the document, which opens a small window and gives you the option to copy the URL of the document and open it in a new browser window, or even copy and paste it into an email. The other option is to download a PDF version of the document, which automatically saves the file to your computer. There is also a section at the bottom of the Document Center pages with links to a robust library of videos, including product overviews, application stories, FAQs, as well as tutorials.